Welcome to another episode of Spicy Travelers. This is Solomon. Today we are driving from the coastal city of Negombo to a village in the central portion of Sri Lanka called Pinnawala, where they take care of orphaned elephants. So we're going to visit an elephant orphanage, and also we're going to see how they make paper out of elephant dung. That's right, you heard it, elephant poo. We're going to see how they make paper out of that, and join us for this scenic drive to the village of Pinnawala. Since it was 2.5 to 3 hour drive on our way, we got hungry, so we stopped by some street vendors, and this particular vendor was mostly seafood. As you can see, crabs and different types of fish, fried, and some of them stuffed. There's shrimp right there. So we bought some and took it with us on our way. Okay, we're here at the orphanage, the elephant orphanage, and this is the front of our hotel. So you could see it's very beautiful. A lot of shops all around it. You could purchase local arts and crafts and clothing and things like that as well. So this is our hotel room, which is good. As you could see, it's very clean and neat. But most importantly, what I want to show you is our balcony, which is facing a large stream. And the view was just crazy. And this is where the elephants come and take a bath, their daily bath. So if you sit here, you could see a ton of elephants throughout the day taking daily baths. So as it happens, while we were standing on the balcony, the elephants came down to take their daily baths. Growing up in Kerala until I was about 9 years old, we had a lot of elephants in our area at that time. So I played with them a lot when I was a kid, because some of our neighbors had like 2 or 3 elephants. So they're very intelligent, and I know they love water from experience, and also extremely playful. So after we put our luggage in the room, enjoy the balcony view, we came down and saw the elephants were coming up after their bath, and I was able to spend some time with them. Growing up in Kerala as a kid, I spent a lot of time with elephants, so I really liked them a lot. So as you can see, they're trying to pet me more than I'm trying to pet them. And the dangerous part is some of them are jealous with each other and trying to get to me. And, they could knock me down, accidentally step on me, so I just had to be careful. So at night, after the elephants are gone, we came down to the stream, had a wonderful time. We bought our food, our dinner, and drinks, and just spent some time there, really enjoying the 75-degree weather and the cool waters, and just sitting there. Had a wonderful time. So this is about a block from our hotel. It's a park, very close to a paddy field, a local paddy field. People are working. There's a nice restaurant there. You could actually sit there and enjoy your food, just looking at the paddy fields. It is similar to where I grew up in Kerala until I was 10. A lot of paddy fields there also, so it brought me a lot of memories. We ran into one of the stores on the hotel driveway, which was a paper making factory. They actually make paper out of elephant dung. So I guess there's a lot of dung, so they put that to a good use.
Elephant dung paper. Okay, sir. See this all elephant favorite food: cashew, coconut, pistil palm, banana, sugarcane.
Okay.
All elephant favorite food. This is elephant dung, elephant poo, elephant caca. This bowl wash and dry.
Okay.
This is smell.
Oh, okay.
No smell, nothing.
Nothing. Okay.
Okay. This dung, this poo, put at this tank and put water 1 day.
1 day.
Boil it, kill the bacteria. After wash and dry, become like this.
Ah,
This is natural color. All add the color.
okay.
Different color. We made different colors paper.
Okay.
Only this one natural fiber. Fiber. Put in this machine and put water. 3-4 hours. Blender.
Ah,
Make pulp.
okay.
Water. Fiber. Mix. This come. Pulp. Put in this frame. Filter.
Ah,
100% fiber, 100% food.
okay.
After this frame, put it outside under sun to dry. Become dry paper.
Okay.
Thick paper. Rough paper. Put in the roll machine. Press in, make thinner.
This is a book or a diary that we bought for our daughter, and it's completely made of elephant dung. So you could see